Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a cake stand made out of 2 hula hoops. You ready? Let's create. Here are the supplies you will need, and all the items will be in the description box. I will be bringing you wedding ideas for 14 days in a row. The first thing I'm going to do is spray paint both of my hula hoops. After I finish spray painting both of my hula hoops, the next thing I'm going to do is glue my flowers along one side of my hula hoop. This wedding cake stand is so simple to do and very inexpensive. You will be able to place a 2-tier or 3-tier wedding cake on top of this wedding stand. I just finished bending the stem part of the end of my flowers. Now I'm going to tape it together so it won't come apart. After I finish doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is tape my leaves to my hula hoop. I purchased these 2 stems of leaves from Michael's. They were 75% off around Christmas time. That was a good sale. Okay, right here I am putting on 3 pieces of Scotch tape on the top, middle, and end of the leaves. I'm making sure that each one of these Scotch tape is secured tightly in place. I wouldn't want these leaves to fall off. The next step is to glue all my flowers down on top of my leaves and onto my hula hoop. Family, I am so excited you are here. I'm also excited that we made it another year. I am so grateful to God. Thank you. And I want to say to my first time viewers, I appreciate you stopping by. I thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so that you would know each time I upload a video. I appreciate you. Now to my dedicated, wonderful, awesome family members that has been rocking with me and commenting on my videos and also watching at least one ad. Okay, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Blessings to you and your family. I thank you and I love you again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. I truly appreciate you. Family, I purchased all my red flowers from the Dollar Tree, but I purchased the gold flowers from a store that doesn't have a website. But family, I got you. I will be selling different color flowers on my website starting February the 1st. I will not only be selling flowers, but I will also be selling items that I make on this channel and other items that you can use for a wedding or any event. Family, I will be giving you the link to my new website on February the 1st, so please stop by and check it out. Right now, I'm gluing down 2 pieces of diamond wrap to the end of the stem of my leaves. This diamond wrap will hide the tape that is around the end of my leaves. After I finish doing that, I'm just going to glue some more flowers on top of my diamond wrap. Right now, family, I'm going to take the time out and bring 2 Bible scriptures for our bride and groom. Okay, the first one is Psalms 143 and 8. Let the morning bring me word of your unfailing love, for I have put my trust in you. Show me the way I should go, for to you I entrust my life. The second Bible scriptures come from Proverbs 3, verses 3 and 4. Let love and faithfulness never leave you. Bind them around your neck. Write them on the tablet of your heart. Then you will win favor and a good name in the sight of God and man. Okay, fam, I'm finished putting on all of my flowers. Okay, now I'm going to connect both of my hula hoops together with my zip tie. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is glue my party tray on top of each one of my hula hoops. The party tray isn't sitting flat on the table, it's more on the hula hoops. What I should have done is I should have glued the hula hoops on the edge of the party tray. That way the party tray would have sat flat on the table. So what I decided to do is take a punch bowl, turn it upside down, then glue my party tray on top of it. Then it stayed in place. The next thing I'm going to do is take another zip tie and pull it through the loop of the top of the Valentine's heart. Then I'm going to tie the zip tie to the top of both of the hula hoops. To cover up the zip tie, I'm just going to glue a piece of diamond wrap onto it. Family, I have another announcement to make. I will be doing a collaboration with my friend Simone over at Creations by Simone. We will be bringing you another wedding creation. That collaboration will be Wednesday, January the 19th. Okay, after I finish doing that, I'm going to add a LED light underneath my bowl of my wedding cake stand. Okay, family, I am finished. I hope you like my wedding cake stand. Here's the final setup. I hope you like my fake wedding cake. Okay, I made it myself. I am going to have a video on how I made this fake wedding cake on tomorrow. Okay, family, as I stated in the beginning of my video, I am challenging myself to do 14 straight wedding decor for every bride and groom to see, and for my family too. Okay, so come back each day to see what I have made new. Now, family, if you remove the heart that is hanging from the hula hoops, you can add at least 2 or 3 more layers of wedding cakes onto the stand.